do a little caffeine situation. 2 weeks ago, work was like, we were sending you to the desert, just grab some content. You know, just a typical Tuesday at Sephora. So Friday was our travel day. We checked into this beautiful home. There are 3 rooms in this house, 2 of them being these gorgeous bedrooms. And then there's this tiny little one that's literally mustard colored. Maybe I'm just psychic, but I just had a feeling I was gonna end up in Mustard Springs. We draw our numbers and sure enough, guess who ended up in Mustard Seed Prison? Yours truly. But the first thing that we did when we got in was we shot this super cute Get Ready With Me. And then after we were ready, we went to a party for a magazine. And when I tell you it was freezing up in that thing. However, I did meet a guy there, so TBD on that, y'all, but we all know how that's gonna end up. And then day 2, we went to this super cute event with Lily Lashes. And if I ever felt like an influencer in my life, it was yesterday. Cause like free clothes. Speaking of Lily Lashes, which lash do I wanna wear? P.S. Side story time. A couple months ago, I had this rideshare driver who I was really vibing with, and not for anything else. He was not bad looking. Obviously, after the ride was over, I was like, oh, we're never gonna see each other ever again. But he was at the second party we went to yesterday. So clearly I'm thinking it's fate. And I kid you not, he says to me, I want you to meet my girlfriend. Anyhow, that is my festival, not festival experience.